Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to explore the Fabfitfun add-ons for the fall 2023 season. So first off, let's look at dates. Customization for annual members begin July 21st, and for seasonal members, you can customize on August 4th. So basically for add-ons, you shop the sale, there's no checkout required, and then the items that you order are going to come in with your Fabfitfun box. First off, let's start with skincare. We got the Tula Skincare, an amazing brand, and the Dr. brand Pores No More Purifying Cleanser. I love that cleanser. Another good one is the Glam Glow Water Burst Hydrated Glow Moisturizer. That's a long name, but this brand is amazing. The Daily Concepts Jade Roller is an amazing skincare tool, and it's perfect for gifting. And if you don't have a neck cream in your skincare routine, try the Dr. brand Skincare Do Not Age Moisturizing Neck Cream. So excited that No Beauty is here in the Fabfitfun box. This is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. I'm hoping to get the whole No Beauty set from the Ipsy Icon box soon, so be on the lookout for that. But No Beauty is an upcoming brand by Vanessa Hudgens. There's another No Beauty, and this time it's the cleanser for only $8.99. What a steal. There's Micro Needle by Beauty Aura. If you are new to micro needling, check out this video that I have, which teaches you how to micro needle safely in the comfort of your home. Next up, let's check out the beauty category in makeup. There's the Tula Skincare Primer Gel. I can't say good things enough about this brand. And the Billion Dollar Brows Beauty Sponge. That one I would really love to try. There's quite a few Too Faced lip products, but I'm surprised that it's not really on sale as much as I'd hoped. There's the Hourglass refillable lipstick and the actual refill, so if you want to stock up on your Hourglass lipsticks, this is the time. So that is it for makeup. I gotta say, I'm a little disappointed. I expected more options than this. Next up, let's take a look at Bath and Body. There's a couple more Tula products, but what really caught my eye is the Spongel Box Flower Buffer. So with the fall to winter season starting up, we need to take care of our hands, and the Spongel hand and body lotion in the scent Freesia Pear is amazing. Next, let's check out the hair category. So I swear by the Living Proof brand, their full thickening cream or any volumizing products for hair is amazing. Also, the Living Proof No Frizz shampoo and conditioner is going to be perfect for the winter time. It's an amazing deal for $32 considering that each bottle usually is in the price range of $30. In the nail category, you guessed it, we've got nail polish. If I were to recommend anything, I suggest getting the cuticle oil by Kusho. It's very hydrating, gentle on the nails, amazing. Another favorite of mine is the home category. You can find decor in here, kitchen tools, all sorts of stuff. I love the little touches of fall in this category. The Hello Pumpkin mug and the Fabfitfun insulated thermal mug looks amazing and it's getting me excited for fall. Okay, I think I need this Amore Kitchen empanada and pasta press maker set. It's very cute and very functional. Also, this is so cute, the Van Dam India Shimmer Double Walled Teacup for two. Also, the Crate and Barrel brand is here. There's the Tea House Smartboard, Teak House Smartboard, and the Jimenez Centerpiece Bowl. I like them both, but a little overpriced in my opinion. So I'm also thinking of getting the Fresh Fresheners Essential Oil Car Variety Pack. I love the different themed designs. It is perfect for Halloween and fall winter months. I noticed there's a lot of area rug options, so I thought to look into it. And so for the smaller size, it's $69, but for the bigger area rug, which is what most homes need, is around $99. So that is it, guys. I hope this video was useful to you. Happy Fabfitfun add-on shopping. Be on the lookout for my Fabfitfun unboxing. It usually comes early as I am an annual member. So be on the lookout for that video. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon.